Alright, to start off the combo, you're actually going to start off with the backhand fan. Boom. And then you're going to transition into the second part of the behind the 8 ball, like that. But in the process of the wrist pass, you're going to do the second part of the helix. So you're like this. You're going to do a little double rollout motion, and you're going to transition into the chaplain. After the chaplain, you're going to do the hell bent. Boom, boom. And now you do a Zen rollover. And at this point, you can end the trick like that, or you can continue on with the loop.